In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-step verification on Slack. This process adds an extra layer of security to your account, making it more secure and protecting your information. Let's dive in and make sure you've got everything in place. To start, open your Slack workspace and look to the upper right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find three little dots. Click on these to reveal a drop-down menu. This is your starting point for accessing your profile settings. Once the menu appears, you'll need to find and click on View Full Profile. This takes you to a page where you can manage and update all aspects of your Slack profile. After you've clicked on View Full Profile, again, locate those three dots. They help you view the full set of options for your account. Clicking the three dots here will show more options, and you're looking for Account Settings. Click on this and your browser will open a new tab where you can see the full account settings for your Slack profile. Looking through these settings, you should find an option labeled Two-Factor Authentication. It may not be expanded just yet, so click on it to reveal more details. This is where you'll start the process of adding two-factor authentication to your account. Next, you'll want to click Set up Two-Factor Authentication. Once you've done this, Slack will offer you a couple of options for your two-step verification process. Take a moment to decide which method suits you best. Usually, this could be using a mobile app authenticator or SMS. If you choose SMS as your preferred method, you'll be asked to enter your phone number. Make sure you type in the correct number, as you'll receive a code via text. After entering your number, click on Add Phone Number to confirm it. You will need to enter your account password to enable two-step verification. This adds another layer of protection, ensuring that only you can make changes to your authentication settings. Once your password is in, click on Confirm Password. At this point, if you followed all the steps correctly, you should see a success message. This means two-step verification is now enabled on your Slack account. Congratulations on taking this step toward boosting your account's security. Remember, security is an ongoing process, and staying informed is the best way to protect your data and information. I hope this tutorial helped you feel more secure in using Slack. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave comments or check out more tutorials for additional tips. Thanks for watching and take care.